Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome back again to my class. In my previous class, I have told you about the right form of verbs. Now I am going to tell you about the rest of the verbs. Dear students, I hope in my previous class I have told about which verbs you have studied well, and I hope you have practiced well at home. Now I am telling you about the rest of the verbs. Let's start our class. At first I am telling the first rule of right form of verb. Dear students, notice some word: can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, will, would, going to, ought to, plus. In that case, if you get this kind of auxiliary verb, these are called modal auxiliary verb. You have to write verb plus ing, v1 plus verb 1 plus ing. That means after this auxiliary verb, after this modal verbs, you have to use base form of the verb or present form of the verb plus ing. Okay, dear students, now I will show you some example. The bank the man can help others to stay well. Here I have used can, but notice the verb help. Here help is in the form of v1 and subject the man. After the auxiliary verb can, I have used here v1 form. Okay. Now I will tell you another example. We can keep pace with the changing trends of time. Okay, dear students, we can keep pace with the changing trends of time. সময়ের পরিবর্তনের ধারার সাথে আমরা তাল মিলিয়ে চলতে পারি। That here can is a modal auxiliary verb and the principal verb is keep. I have used here v1 form of the verb keep. Are you clear, my dear students? But now I will tell another thing also. After this verb, if you get b, then we have to use v3. Are you clear, my dear students? All the two rules are the same, but a little bit changed here. B, if we can get after this modal verb b, then the main verb or principal verb must have to be changed in v3. That means past participle. For your better understanding, I will show you an example. Here the bank is going to be dash. Here is a verb open. What form can be used here? According to the rule, here will be used opened. Opened is the V3 form of the verb open. Are you clear, my dear students? Here I have used opened, the V3 form of the verb open after the using of be. Okay. Now I will show you another example. It cannot or can't be dash quickly. Here is a verb do. What form will be used here? I hope you are realizing this fact. Here I will be it will be used. It will be the right form will be it will done. It can't be done quickly. Done is the past participle form or V3 form of the verb do. Are you clear, dear students? Okay. I hope all of you are very intelligent. Now I will show the another rule. Passive voice. I hope all of you know about passive voice. Remember that in all passive voices you have to use V3 form of the verb, my dear students, such as the snake was killed was dashed by the person. Here the verb is killed. As this is a passive voice, here the preposition by and the subject is here snake. That is why I have to use kill. The past participle form of kill is killed. The sentence is like that: the snake was killed by the person. The snake was killed by the person. Okay, dear students, in all passive voices we have to use V3 form of the verb. Okay. Now, provided or providing. Provided or providing. Provided or providing. Providing or providing. Provided or providing. With the word providing or provided, we have to use V1 form of the verb. I shall help him. For example, look at the board. I shall help him providing he dash me. Here the verb is help. Think of yourself, my dear students, what form of the verb can be used here? Okay, I think you have understood. He helps. যদি আমি তাকে সাহায্য করব যদি সে আমাকে সাহায্য করে। আর ইউ ক্লিয়ার? ওকে। Now I will tell you about some phrase. Yesterday, some adverb of time. Yesterday, the day before, a long time ago, some place, a long time ago, the previous day, last, plus anytime. It may be last week, last night, last month, last year. Okay, last Friday. In this case, for these phrases, these phrases indicate past time. past time. That is why we have to use past form. With this phrase, we have to use V2 form of the verb, of the principal verb. Dear students, do you know all the meaning of these phrases? Yesterday, গতকাল, the day before, পূর্বের দিন, a long time ago, অনেক দিন আগে, অনেক সময় আগে, the previous day, পূর্বের দিন, last, গত, it may be last week, গত সপ্তাহ, last month, গত মাস, last year, গত বছর, last night, গত রাত. Okay, then we have to use V2 form of the principal verb. Notice the example. There dash a king a long time ago. Think of yourself, dear students. There dash a king a long time ago. Here the principal verb is live. What can be the right form of the verb? Live. The verb obviously be lived. They are lived a long time ago. Why? Because the phrase that indicates the past time of something. That is why we have used here lived. They lived a king long time ago. I called my father over telephone yesterday. Dear students, notice this example. Here called is the past form of the verb. Why? Because of yesterday. অতীত নির্দেশক শব্দের কারণে, অতীত নির্দেশক শব্দ, phrase or adverb. Here yesterday is an adverb of past time. For yesterday I have used here called, the past form of call, past form of the verb call. Okay, now I will tell you about some to have verb. Notice the board. Have, has, had, having, being, become, got, plus verb V3 form. Try to understand, dear students. After all of this verb, the principal verb must be in past participle form. Okay, are you clear? Now I will show you some example. I got the work dash. Here is the verb is do. What will be the answer? Maybe it must be done. Now I got the work done. Are you clear, dear students? Okay. The journey being dash. We are happy. Here I have used apostrophe. That means A is hidden here. Okay. The journey being dash, we are happy. Here principal verb is finish. What may be the verb? The form of the verb is it must be finished. Because of being. The journey being finished, we are happy. The journey being finished, we are happy. Dear students, for short time I have to finish my class. See you in the next class. I hope all of you will watch my class regularly and try to cope with the changing time. Stay home and stay safe with your family and family members. Okay, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.